Big sun coming strong through the motel blinds. Wake up to your girl. Now let's call her Cleopatra.
And hello everyone, welcome back to the MeekFro channel. You are watching youtube.com/MeekFro. This video is sponsored by Dreadshop.com. Dreadshop basically sent me these reusable single-ended crochet dreads. It's in the color black chestnut, 50 centimeters basically. As you can see here are 6 packs of the locks. I'm basically soaking them in apple cider vinegar water to remove the chemicals from it so my skin won't be irritated. This is optional, by the way. You don't have to do this. It's perfectly fine to just take them out the pack and insert them, and boom. So after I rinse them, let them sit for 20 minutes in the apple cider vinegar water, I wring them out and then run them under some warm water like so, and then I ended up washing them using some shampoo. It's best to use a natural based shampoo. That's exactly what I used. Wrapped them in a towel like so, allowed them to dry, laid them out like this in sections so I'll know how many I'm using exactly, and basically I just started to insert them. You use your crochet hook like so, put the lock onto the crochet hook, twist kind of like a part of your hair basically to make it fit inside of that hook, the crochet hook. Then you basically close the latch and push up with the lock and pull your hair through that loop. Because these are single-ended dreads, you're just braiding them in. You cannot install these traditionally like regular crochet locks, you know. These are the kind you just braid in because they don't have any give to them for them to be looped and knotted. So you're just doing a 3-strand braid using your hair with 2 strands and then the dread as the 3rd strand braid. And then once you get halfway down, you just start to wrap your 2 strands of hair around the dread like so. And inside the dread kit, it came with the black elastic bands. I got 2 packs of those that came with it. And you basically take the elastic band and put it at the end of your hair. It does not damage your hair. If you remove them the wrong way incorrectly, then you could possibly damage your hair that way. But this is what basically holds your hair to the dread, if that makes sense. And I'm just basically going to show you how to do that again. You just twist the root, put it through the hook, close the latch, push the lock up, pull your hair through, and you do a 3-strand braid, 2 strands being your hair, and the 3rd strand of the braid is the crochet dread. If you don't like how the braid looks with the dread, you could easily get some braiding hair or like Afro kinky hair, Marley hair to wrap around the base of that braid to hide that, and it will look perfectly fine. This style did take about 3 hours to do, maybe less. Super quick style, but I will say they are a little bit on the heavy side, so yeah, with that. I used a total of 6 packs. 6 packs is the average amount on this website that is recommended for a full head. Exactly 9 locks came in each pack. The color is absolutely amazing. I love the texture of these locks. My kit also came with a headband that you could purchase from Dreadshop.com as well. Dreadshop does have many locations, so do check the description box for the correct links based off where you are located on the world. Thanks, Dreadshop. That's it for this video, you guys. See you guys in the next one. Bye.